Hey guys, Leanne here on Grady's Mom. I have my weekly grocery haul for you. This is from Walmart. It was about $120 for everything here. I did have to get a few items that were a little bit more expensive, meaning $10 or up. But anyways, I'm going to start over here as usual and work my way over to the other side. I did also get a case of bottled water, but I know you guys don't care about that, so I figured I would just mention it. It's actually still in my mudroom. So I got some zucchini for a recipe that I make with pasta and ground turkey, and it has just a bunch of different veggies, but zucchini is the main veggie in it. I got some strawberries. They actually looked pretty good from what I could see. They're really big, and were very expensive though. Obviously, it's, you know, at this point almost November, so as you guys know, produce goes up a lot. So these were like almost, I think they were like almost $5 for these. But my son eats them. He really likes them. He asks me for them if we don't have them. So I'm just going to continue to buy them. I got some baby spinach for a recipe. Some bananas. I get this pretty much every week or every other week. It's the Tillamook zero sugar smoked sausages. I've talked about these a million times. It is the same company that makes the Tillamook brand cheese, and my husband really likes these. I really like these. They're just really tasty, a good snack. I did get some red grapes, probably about a pound-ish, maybe a little over a pound. My mom actually had, we went to my mom's yesterday for dinner. I'm filming this on a Monday, and she had red grapes and they were really tasty, so I did get some. They were like really crisp. You can feel like that they have a really nice snap to them. I got some sun-dried tomatoes for a recipe. I actually am going to make it tonight. I have the shrimp thawing, and you actually use pumpkin puree, like pumpkin pie puree for it. I know that sounds really weird, but I saw it on Stephanie Letta SML, her channel. She did like a Chef Steph segment, and it looked really good. So I actually happen to have a bunch of the ingredients already, except for a few things. So I did get these because I do have sun-dried tomatoes, but I think I have like 3 left in the jar, so I did need more anyways. But anyways, yeah, grapes. I got a big bottle of the pure sesame oil. This is, I usually get the small one. Let me show you what I usually get. I usually get the Kikkoman one, and as you can see, it's pretty small, and I have to turn my ringer down. Hold on a second. Okay, much better. I had to turn my ringer down because I've noticed in several of my recent videos, when I go to edit the video, I can hear my phone notifications in the background, and it drives me insane. So I'm imagining it's probably annoying to you guys too, so apologies for that. I will try to remember to put my phone on silent when I'm filming. I just get a lot of notifications on my phone because of my reselling business. So a lot of the times when it's like chiming, it's because bids are coming in on my different reselling platforms. But anyways, I usually get the Kikkoman one. This is almost, I don't know, it's about a quarter, maybe a third left, but I do go through this. So I just went with the bigger one, and I have used this brand before. It obviously was more expensive, but I'm going to just start buying bigger quantities of items that I go through, and I do go through sesame oil, just like I go through olive oil on a semi-regular basis. So anyways, the other 2 ingredients I needed for that recipe with the pumpkin pie filling is ground sage and ground nutmeg. I actually did not have, I had like barely any sage in the container that I had, and actually I noticed it was expired, so I threw it out. It was really old, and I did not have any nutmeg, so now I have both of those. I saw these Philadelphia cheesecake crumble like treat things, and I decided just to grab them for my husband. I do not like cheesecake. I don't like cream cheese. I'm not really a big dairy person. Most of you guys already know that. But I thought these would be a nice treat just to put in his lunch, you know, a couple times a week or whatever. There's only 2 in the pack, and I'll let you guys know how those are. I did need more rubber gloves. I am actually almost out of my current box. I don't know, there's probably 4 pairs left in here, but I've had this box for a while. I do get one of these, I don't know, maybe every 3 to 4 months. They come with 100 gloves. I like the Great Value brand, and I like the powder-free ones, and I use them for all different things. It could be using, you know, having to do like deep spot treatment on clothes. It could be mixing meatloaf. It could be anything where my hands can get like really caked and nasty. So I do really like these. I did notice the price went up, but I will continue to repurchase them. I got rigatoni for the recipe tonight with pumpkin, and a big box of elbows because I'm almost done with a current big box of elbows, and we do go through these a lot. I just used a bunch when I made goulash, so I did get a box to replace the one that's almost empty. Some yogurt tubes, the Great Value brand. My son really likes them. These are the Great Value bath cups, like the Dixie cup size. They were literally half the price of the Dixie brand, and I could care less what they look like as long as it keeps my son in his routine with his fluoride rinse and mouthwash and all of that. I will continue to buy them. I finally found these. I had been looking for them for a while, but they were out of stock. They're just like the mini condiment cups with the lids. I do have some of these little guys, but I've been losing them. I think I'm down to one, and it was like a 4-pack. So I don't know what happens to them. So I like these because obviously they're disposable. They're small, they're convenient if I need to pack dressing, salsa, sour cream, or something for my husband's lunches, or something for my son. They're just convenient to have. I really love this brand of barbecue sauce. I actually think I might dare say I like it more than Sweet Baby Ray's, and I love Sweet Baby Ray's, but I really like this. I recently, just, I don't know, 6 months ago, have tried it for the first time. A friend of mine had made some ribs, and I was like, what kind of sauce is this? It's amazing, and it was this. So I did get that to use in, you know, to see how I like it in comparison to the Sweet Baby Ray's. A dozen eggs because I am going to do some egg muffins with like ham and cheese and veggies, so I'm going to be going through all the eggs I already have, so I need a replacement. I got some Kind Bar Thins. I've never seen or tried, well, they say they're new. I've never noticed these before, peanut butter and dark chocolate. Let's see what they look like. I got them to pack in my husband's lunches or to take on the go. Sometimes I'll take one of these and like an apple or an orange or something when we go to my son's jiu-jitsu classes, which is 3 to 4 nights a week. So they just look like the regular Kind Bars, but thin. So maybe like, I don't know, 2/3 of the size in thickness, but I'm sure they're going to be good. I like every Kind Bar I've ever tried. I got a couple pork ramens because I want to do like a soup, like an Asian style soup, and I need the noodles from these. I probably won't need, well, I definitely won't need the pork powder packet. I just need the noodles. I got some butter bread from Sara Lee, which I buy almost either every week or every other week. My son really likes this bread with his sandwiches, and it actually is a really good, just basic bread. Some Great Value bacon, egg, and cheese croissants for my husband in the morning. Since football season is well underway, we do have people over for football, and we're also getting into, as you guys know, the holidays. My son's birthday, my husband's birthday, my birthday, they're all kind of right in a row. So we do have family gatherings, football gatherings, birthday gatherings. So I just like to have these for when people come. I don't have to, you know, run my dishwasher 5 times. I can just have them, even if it's just for appetizers or desserts, and then just use normal dishes for, you know, the entree. Got some tissues. I got a cube box for my vehicle, and then 3 larger boxes just to make sure all the bathrooms are stocked, all the bedrooms are stocked. Pringles, individual cups in the original, a gallon of water for the coffee, the little Danimal smoothie cups in the Paw Patrol. My son just really loves Paw Patrol, and he likes having one of these in the morning. I also got the Reynolds pop-up parchment sheets. I love these. I use them all the time. They're just really convenient. They make cleanup a breeze. I use them, I mean, I use these every week. They're just really, really good. So I got those. And then lastly, just some Sparkle brand paper towels. We actually don't need paper towels currently, because I did go to BJ's, as you guys know, what, a couple months ago now, maybe 6 weeks ago. And I still have paper towels from then, but these are very cheap at Walmart, like price-wise. They were like $6, and then I had a $2 off coupon. So I just couldn't pass it up, and they are the like select-a-size kind. So for $4, I thought it would be a really good deal just to keep in my storage room downstairs for a rainy day when I need it. But yeah, that's everything for the week. Not a huge haul, but it's everything I needed. And I'm gonna share now my meal plan for next week. All right, so my meal plan for the upcoming week I have right here. But I did want to mention really quick that pumpkin dish I told you guys about in the haul came out really tasty. So if you want to make it, I will link the video to Stephanie Letta. I'm sure most of you have maybe at least heard of her. I don't know. She's mainly a beauty channel, but she does do like a lot of vlogs and like a lot of different cooking segments because she definitely is into food. And I will leave her video that I got the recipe from linked down below. The recipe part of the video is at the very end of her video, but she did leave the ingredient link in her description box, so I'll put her link down below. So one night this week I'm going to do baked ziti with sausage, salad, and bread, which will be good because I can use that for leftovers. I'm going to do cream of broccoli soup one night, which will be a no meat night. I'm pretty sure I have a whole video on my cream of broccoli soup, so I'll put that down in the description box. I've got some whole chickens to use up, so I'm going to roast one of the whole chickens with some roasted potatoes and veggies. And then with the leftover chicken bones, I'm going to make bone broth, and whatever meat is left, I'll make like a curry chicken salad. So it'll be, I like doing the whole chickens because I get the broth from it, I get the dinner from it, and then I usually make chicken salad or some kind of dish with chicken, even if I just use the chicken to make salads. It's nice because it stretches really far. I'm going to do beef stroganoff one night over egg noodles and then some steamed peas. I've got half a bag of shrimp left from the bag I showed earlier that I used in the pumpkin recipe. So I'm going to use the other half of that shrimp with veggies and do like a stir fry with some rice. I've got some basmati rice to use up. Definitely I'm going to allot a night for leftovers because these two dinners, the ziti and the soup, make a lot. So we'll have one night we'll have leftovers, and then for our freebie night we're going to do takeout with some friends on Friday after my son's jiu-jitsu class because they go there as well. So we'll just get some takeout and hang out. So that is the plan for the upcoming week. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great weekend, and I will see you in the next one.